Howdy, I'm Devin, and this will be my second video update on my XT350 project. And today's December 15th, 2010, and here we go. Alright, it's 98 XT350. I've pretty much mostly together, except for the top end, gas tank, and seat. I guess I'll go through some of the modifications quickly. Done to it. Start at the front. Has a 21-inch Shinko SR244 front tire, about 50/50 tread pattern. Got the neoprene seal savers on there, fork protectors. Also, these forks are pretty squishy on stock, so it beefs them up a little bit. I replaced the 2-inch steel spacer that's inside this tube with a 4-inch PVC spacer, and it's a little bit squishy, but a lot stiffer than what it was, so this will help out in nose diving when braking. Moose Racing bars, Moose Racing guards and deflectors. These are large. These are the large deflectors. The regular ones are too small. That's just Moose Racing protector. Front headlight, I swapped out that goofy original bulb with a 55-65 watt bulb. Taxes the electrical systems a little bit, but when you're going down the road, it's negligible. There's everything together: frame, swing arm components, passenger pegs, foot controls. Bike currently has on it 13,693 miles, about 13.7. Swapped out the stock foam filter with a 2-stage uni high flow air filter, and also put a little breather hole, open up the air boxes a little bit. Set the dampening rate to 5, which is the maximum for this monoshock. As far as the engine goes, I honed the cylinder, got new rings. Top end's being painted right now, so it's not together yet. Painted the oil filter cover. Back here, it's a matching tire to the front. It's an 18-inch Shinko SR244. There's an LED tail light in here. The bad thing about that is the LED is red, and the way this license plate lights up is it gets light from the bulb, shines down onto the license plate, and the license plate shows up red instead of white because the LED is white. So got plastic cleaned up. I did a 428 to 520 chain conversion, which is another issue with the XT350s. The mini bike chain they put on is just, it stretches horrible. So upgraded to a 520 chain. I used JT steel sprockets. The rear sprocket is a 43 tooth, which is slightly smaller than the stock 428 chain tooth. Slightly smaller than the 428 chain sprocket, which is 55 tooth. The front is a 15 tooth, and that is about the same size as a 19 tooth 428 sprocket. Clean off all the stock stickers, makes it look a little nicer. I don't have a battery in there right now. Really don't need one since these are kickstart only. I'm eventually going to put LED turn signals in here. And I think that's about it for modifications. Cut a few excess tabs and brackets off you didn't need. Like, there's supposed to be one right here. Cut that off. Don't need it. I can't really think of anything else I've done to it so far. Inspected all the bearings and bushings. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed.